In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your computer to access specific files within your Steam account. This might seem daunting at first, but with a bit of guidance, you'll find it's quite straightforward. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open up your File Explorer. This tool is essentially the gateway to everything stored on your computer. You can normally find the File Explorer icon on your taskbar or search for it using the Start menu if it's not readily visible. Once you've got the File Explorer open, your next move is to click on this PC. This selection will present you with a broad view of your computer's storage, displaying connected drives and their respective labels. Now, what we need to do is locate the local drive where you have installed Steam. This is usually marked as the C drive on most systems unless you've installed it elsewhere. So, go ahead and click on this drive, which opens up a list of all the main folders and files contained there. One crucial detail you should be aware of is that most Windows systems host their program files within specific directories. For our purposes today, you'll need to navigate to the Program Files x86 folder. This folder typically stores applications that require the Windows 32-bit operating system compatibilities where Steam commonly resides. Once you've reached this folder, open it up. Now within Program Files x86, you will find a plethora of installed applications and software. Look for the folder labeled Steam. This is the hub for all your Steam-related data and executable files. Click on it to open and view what's inside. Within the Steam folder, there's quite a lot of information, but what we're specifically looking for is another folder named User Data. This folder is key to accessing your Steam user files. Open this folder and here you'll find folders associated with different Steam accounts that have been used on the machine. If you've followed along, you've successfully navigated to the user data folder within the Steam directory. From here, you can explore any specific user files you need for your particular tasks, be it game saves, settings, or other data files. It's important to note that handling these files requires some caution. Make sure you know exactly what you're doing to avoid unintentional deletions or changes. Remember, these are the files that form the backbone of your Steam gaming experience. I hope you found this guide helpful in steering you through the back end of Steam's file management. Understanding how to navigate these directories empowers you to troubleshoot, backup crucial files, or customize your gaming experience further. Thanks for watching, and get ready to make the most of your Steam account with confidence.